Good day everyone. My name is Justin Kai Larusa Bagyo from G2MG. My speech delivery is interpersonal communication and relationships. The role of verbal and nonverbal cues in the strengthening personal connection. Definition of interpersonal communication: the exchange of verbal and nonverbal messages to connect with others. Verbal communication: 1. The power of words. 2. Tone and clarity. 3. Importance of active listening. Nonverbal communication. 1. Facial expression. 2. Body language. 3. Eye contact. Balancing verbal and nonverbal communication. Example: saying, "I'm okay" with a sad face. Miscommunication. Let's assume Monday morning are often busy. You spotted two adults running while on your way to school one morning. They both appeared to be a hurry, yet something was off. Can you differentiate the two based on their body language? Tell us the difference. Let's recall. Communication comes from the Latin word which means working as one. Communication is simply the act of sending information from one person or group to other. The exchange of communication varies from person to person depending on the needs of the situation. Communication is the process of exchanging meaningful messages through the use of common symbols. Verbal communication. Verbal communication refers to communication that makes use of a language and expressing ideas or emotions. Communicators utilize speech to express or communicate what they wish to see or communicate, although spoken communication is frequently due of when the praise. Verbal communication is used. Written communication is also a form of verbal communication. Nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication refers to communication that does not make use of language to communicate. Other than words, nonverbal communication involves body language, gestures, appearance, and silence. Tips for strengthening relationship. Keeps words and action consistent. Observe body language. Listen attentively. Conclusion. Verbal and nonverbal communication both play crucial roles in effective interaction. Verbal communication allows individuals to express thoughts, ideas, and emotions clearly through spoken or written words. Nonverbal communication, on the other hand, conveys meaning through body language, facial expression, gestures, tone of voice, and even silence. Often nonverbal events can complement or even contradict the verbal message, adding depth and context to the conversation. For communication to be truly effective, a balance of both verbal and nonverbal elements is essential as they work together for ensure clarity, understanding, and emotional connection. Mastering both forms of communication can significantly enhance personal and professional relationships. That's all. Thank you.